How to fix couldn't activate SMS positioning. Hello everyone, it's me Rock. In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you could fix couldn't activate the SMS positioning. For this, at first you have to go to the settings on your device. After tapping on the very settings on your very device, now what you have to do is you have to go to the search icon on your device. After going to the search icon on your device, you have to search SMS out there. After you search SMS out there, you have to wait for a while until the interface of the SMS occurs here. If it does not occur fast, then what you can do is you can go to the backside, and after going to the backside, now here you have to just scroll down. After scrolling down, now you can see an interface like this here. Now after you see an interface like this here, you can go to the option of the advanced features, and after going to the option of advanced features, if you see the option of SMS, it's okay. Otherwise, you can directly go to the option of SMS on your device from the very top portion here, and after that you can tap on your SMS out here. You can just click on it for a while. After click on it for a while, you can go to the option of SIM manager, and after that here you have to go to the option of messages, and you have to keep it to your preferred message theme. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.